Welcome back, guys. Now, we have a super exciting week this week for earnings because we have a handful of companies that have both been beaten down by the COVID crisis and a handful that have seen astronomical gains since the beginning of the crisis. This week, I'm going to be trying to go over earnings for Lovesac, GameStop, Peloton, and Kroger. So make sure to subscribe so you can get those videos as soon as they come out. This particular video, though, we're going to be going over GameStop. Now, GameStop was in a little bit of trouble even before COVID. They had very recently tried to do a serious change of direction in their business model and even took on some corporate stewardship formerly from Nintendo. But with the onset of the COVID crisis, things really only got worse for GameStop. So let's just get into it. GameStop is one of those companies that can try to blame its decline on COVID, but the reality is this company's been on a highway to doo-doo town for the last 7 years. Year over year, revenue and earnings have consistently either stagnated or declined, and even though they sometimes beat EPS estimates, they almost always fail to meet their revenue estimates. So the fact that this company is at a 52-week high almost seems like a gift from the god of puts, and the put-call ratio over the last month seems to be pricing in the fact that this rally has been complete nonsense. So the play for me in this one is actually going to be in-the-money puts with either an $8 or $9 strike with a 9/11 expiry. As an alternate, you could go for a call credit spread, but I really don't like the idea of locking up buying power for a long time on this one. Also, keep in mind, whenever I'm doing long puts or long calls, I am sizing down significantly compared to my spread positions. GameStop is a dying company in a dying industry. I couldn't be happier to buy puts on this company right now. So that's it for this play. Now remember, if you need a good broker, a good source of stock market news, or a good source of options flow, I have referral links for all of those down below. Good luck, guys. Make some money.